Hey guys, it's the English Picker here, and I'm back here with part 2 of my very large antiques fair picking finds. Um, Part 1 covered the majority of the coins there. Um, I'll now talk about the first day when I went round with my friend. She was buying sort of bits of costume jewellery and things like that, and we got stuck into the rummage type places. But first of all, I went to a stall that was selling novelty spoons and stuff, and I picked up these spoons up here. They had got some silver spoons as well, which I'll go into a second. But I bought all the ones up here for 75p each. So I spent 153, 450. Yeah, spent £6 on those lot, but they're all duds. They're all silver plated. But one of them was 800 silver, so that paid for the others really. So not a great find, but not too bad. But I did pick this up off from them for £8. It's marked CM, and then it's got a bizarre sort of hallmark here that says 8915, and it is silver. It looks sort of Danish, Scandinavian in style, and I got it for under scrap, which is always nice. So next thing, went to a rummage type place. This lady does house clearances, and she had heaps and heaps of jewellery all mixed together, and you basically bundled it together, and there was the price. And my friend was going apeshit, pulling out all sorts of crazy stuff, a huge pile of stuff, and said to the woman, "Oh, how much for this?" She went, £60. My friend nearly passed out because she didn't realise it would be so expensive. So it was fairly pricey, but I did pick out some nice bits, and I paid up for it. I paid £25 for this lot here, and then I paid a fiver for this. I'll go back to that in a second. And I got some nice bits actually. I got some coins. I got a 1917 hold threepence and a 1854 hold fourpence, a groat. So that's nice. But the thing that makes it with these two coins here, my friend spotted them. One's proof, they're made of sterling silver. Proof £1 coin, the Queen Mother, from Guernsey. And the other's a proof £1 coin. Peace in Europe, £1, 1945 to 1995, and that's from Alderney. And my money back is there basically. So there's like £25 back there alone, so that's good. So I knew I was onto a winner. Got some pieces here which I haven't tested yet, but that could be gold. Beautiful engraving on it, and it's like some kind of stone, agate or something. This piece is gold, weighs 1.54 grams, so there's £15 worth of 9-carat gold there. This piece could be white gold, it looks like it. I haven't tested it yet, but the hallmark's all battered, so not too sure. And then there's this piece which is a bit bizarre. It's butterfly wing. I think it will have been an earring at one point, and someone's put it on a gold-plated band. So this says 9-carat gold, so this top bit is, but this bit just says metal, and it's worn away. So I'm not too sure what to do with it really. Don't know, but a bit of gold anyway. So quickly zip through some of the other bits I got. Got this pendant here, some knot style earrings, another random bit of silver, nice Marcus Eaton silver brooch, a little jingly thing. It's like a lower grade silver, nothing too special. Got this massive beast. It's marked 925 at the top. Then I got this little fake faux ivory but with silver top. Got this little sterling chain. Then I got this nice spoon which she thought was 800, but on the back is clearly marked sterling silver there. And there's some good weight to this piece. Scales out. Can't remember off the top of my head. Did buy some duds. I bought this little dog thing which has got its back legs broken off, but it's sort of a pewter metal underneath. It's heavy, but it's sort of silver plated. You can see a different colour there. I also bought this, which has turned out to be rolled gold, but you know, bought there was a piece of amethyst, which I sort of threw in the pot, and this isn't silver, but the chain is, and then there's just some rogue chains there, and then this piece is sterling on a sterling silver chain. So the spoon weighs 17.6 grams. So you know, that's £6-7 worth of scrap there. But the story really is about this thing. I have no idea what it is. I've seen these sort of belly dancer or whatever, I don't know what they are, things before, necklaces, and they've always turned out not to be silver. But this one seemed a bit more elaborate. And then on the hooks, you can see engraving, both of them. And then on the reverse of this, there's this. It looks like a keychain thing, but it, you know, it's not. It's not. None of it's magnetic. So I thought, well, I'll take a chance on it. Anyway, I got home and nearly died when I tested it. I've tested it in many different places, quite aggressively. It is damaged in places, so I wasn't too worried. If anybody knows what it is and it's worth more as a piece, let me know. But it is sterling silver. Well, it's a higher grade silver, probably like 900 or something like that. And not too sure how much it weighs, because my scale only goes up to 200 grams and it maxes it out. So I'm guessing about 250 grams. So for £5, that's well over £100 in scrap. So if anybody knows what it is and thinks it might be worth more than that as a piece, do drop me a comment. So I thought I'd overpaid, but in hindsight, that's paid for everything that day. So the next thing I got, I'll quickly whiz through these. This I definitely paid too much. Well, I thought I did. I was rushed. My friend was looking at stuff. She wanted to go. She wasn't feeling very well. So I just paid the guy and went away, and I don't know why I did. It kills me to say, but for all this lot here, I paid £50. Now, I was kicking myself all evening about paying £50 for it. That's 50. Didn't even haggle, just paid the guy and left. And I should have haggled, and I didn't. I feel like an idiot, but hey ho. But actually, it's turned out for the better. I quickly whizzed through what I've got. The guy knew what the crack was. You know, he was like, "Oh, you've been fishing out gold and silver then?" I said, "Oh yeah, a few bits." He goes, "Oh, I bet it's a bag of silver." And anyway, he was a bit snippy. But he said, "Oh, this is silver and that's silver." It turns out that's plated. It's a Canadian piece. And this is... It's not focused. There we go. Horsen. I think it's Norwegian. Not too sure on the marks. But it you know, it weighs a good amount. I'm not going to weigh it, but it probably weighs about 15 grams. Then I got this charm bracelet thing here, jobby. Then I've cleaned all these up, but then there's a piece of sorry about this, bad camera work on my part. Piece of abalone shell mounted in silver. This was all tarnished. See if I can get close up those hallmarks again. Then there's this micro mosaic which needs a bit of repair work. I thought these sold for more, but actually I had overestimated how much they sell for. Then we've got some coins. We've got 1921 threepence, 50% silver, and then 2 sterling silver threepences. I'll go back to the gold in a bit. Then this piece up here, I thought it bends like silver, so I took a chance on it. Someone had replaced the catch, so it should say 95 on it, but it's a replacement catch, and it turned out to be silver. Got this as well. This is quite a weighty piece, sterling silver. Little silver brooch, 835. sterling silver battle axe. This is a nice complete piece. It's a rhodium plated sterling silver ring. All stones are there, so that'll sell well. We've got a fixer up bracelet, filigree bracelet, needs work. And I'll speak about that ring last. We've got this, which looks like carved ivory, but I think it might be bone. It's got a lot of work gone into it. It's mounted on a sterling silver marquise and pearl necklace. So yeah, that could be a real sleeper. So not too sure on that. Then there's two little small gold 9-carat earrings, two different sizes. They're not matching, and I got these 9-carat, and they look like garnet stones or small rubies. Not too sure. Then don't know about these pieces. It's weird. It's like sort of like gold coloured, silver coloured, copper coloured, and then gold coloured. And I saw on the on this one here, it says 375, so that's why I paid so much. But actually, this one says 375, but just there. But this one doesn't say anything, but they look slightly different. Like that's thinner, and then this backing's plated, and then this backing says 925. So I've no idea what they're made out of. 4.5 grams anyway, so we shall see. But the best, most interesting thing was this ring. I just thought it was a silver ring, so having got home I thought, well, maybe I can make my money back just about if I piece everything out. And I thought, this is really funny colour, this silver ring, and it's really strong. And I did wonder if it could be stainless steel, but it's got strange filing marks, and someone just wouldn't do that to stainless steel. See if we can get it in the light. I don't know if you can make that out. It looks like a handmade piece, but that's been battered a bit, and it just looked too shiny for silver. And in there it's got some kind of browny colours. Very strange. Anyway, so I brought it home, and my acid testing solution, I tested it for silver, nothing. I thought, great, stainless steel. I thought, oh, I'll just test it for gold. Anyway, I put 9-carat acid on it, absolutely nothing, you know. And then my other acid is 14 to 22 carat, and it bubbles different colours if it's a different thing. And I'm not sure if it'll make it out, but I put the acid on, and it has actually marked the inside, and nothing happened for ages, and then eventually it just started to bubble slightly, and the solution went bright yellow. And I think that means it's 18 karat gold. And it's certainly 14 karat, but it might be somewhere in between. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm 95% sure that it is gold and does have gold in it. It could be palladium or platinum or something, I don't know. I'm going to have to get it checked out, but the good part about it is it weighs 6.88 grams. So this could be an absolute sleeper. I'm not too sure. It looks like a half-finished project piece. So I don't know. Not too sure. If anybody knows or has an idea, drop me a comment. So yeah, overnight I went from feeling quite depressed to finding out that was silver, and then finding out that this is most likely something really awesome. So thanks for watching, everyone. Check out my videos coming up to see part 3, which includes the finds from the next day when I went back on my own, and I got some absolutely amazing deals that day as well. So I'll catch you in the next video.